There are so many pancake recipes out there on the internet and Pinterest, you name it. But which one is the best one? Today, I want to present to you huge, fluffy pancakes that you can make at home. Stay tuned. Hi, and welcome to Cook with Mel. If you're returning, welcome back. If you're new here, please do consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so you know when we've posted a new recipe. I see a lot of requests for breakfast ideas that aren't including any bacon or eggs. You know, people are just basically tired of those two ingredients. So today, I want to present to you a pancake recipe that will yield huge, fluffy, quite tall pancakes. The nutritional information and ingredients list, measurements are in the description box. Let's get into that recipe now. We're going to mix our wet ingredients first, and to a jug I'm adding half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, vanilla bean paste, vanilla essence, whichever you have on hand. Then 14 grams or half a tablespoon of melted unsalted butter. Then 2.5 tablespoons or 70 grams of Keto Maple Syrup. Keto Maple Syrup as in sugar-free. And lastly, for the wet ingredients, crack in 2 eggs. Give it a quick whisk. We have just 2 dry ingredients, and that's a half a teaspoon of baking powder and 1 cup of almond flour. Just going to give it another whisk to combine all the ingredients. Okay, now that your batter is fully combined, you should have about 300 mils of batter, and that's going to equate, making 4 pancakes, right? So that's going to equate to 75 mils of batter. Bearing in mind that when you're pouring your batter in, you're just going to be mindful of that and watch your mils so that you get even pancakes. Set your burners to medium and lightly coat your pan with cooking spray, even if it is non-stick. You know how pancakes are. They are sometimes quite hard to flip over. And also, I've got my scale here with it set to 0 and my jug on top of that. And as I pour my batter into the pan, I'm going to make sure that I am minus 75. Easy. Now I'm going to show you the microwave method. All you would do is take your cooking spray, spray a microwave safe bowl or a ramekin, and you would add 75 mils into your bowl. You can either shake it round or you can, just maneuver it if you like. You're just not going to get the browning that you would if you were frying it. I have a 700 watt microwave, which is one of the lowest wattage, and mine went for 40 seconds. I put mine in for 40 seconds first, and then I checked it every 10 seconds until it was, no sogginess or anything like that. And here they are. It's solid, but not, it hasn't gone rubbery, and it's still got a bit of moisture at the bottom. So I think this is ready to eat. I'm not sure how you like yours, but I don't mind mine with some sugar-free maple syrup and some cream. Well, who said we have to have bacon and eggs on keto? Here are these beautiful, fluffy, huge pancakes that you can have for breakfast or a snack. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe and be well.